Ask zero-turn mower owners what to do with a worn set of blades, and you'll usually hear two answers. One group replaces all three and gets back to mowing. The other sharpens and balances every blade first. Instead of picking a side, let's check what these blades actually need. First, how to remove a lawnmower blade safely. Park on level ground, set the brake, remove the key, and disconnect the spark plug wires, or isolate the battery. Support the deck as your manual specifies, block the blade with wood, wear cut-resistant gloves, and label the left, center, and right blades before loosening the hardware. Clean each blade before deciding. A dull but solid blade can usually be sharpened. Replace it if you find a crack, bend, deep notch, badly worn sail, or enlarged center hole. On a 3-blade deck, compare all three. If their length, lift profile, or wear is noticeably different, replace the set. If all 3 blades are still in good, safe condition, you can sharpen them instead of replacing them. Here's how to sharpen a lawnmower blade. Secure it in a vise and follow the original bevel with a file or grinder. Work both cutting ends gradually and remove a similar amount from each side. Aim for a durable scissor-like edge, not a razor edge. Keep the blade cool and never straighten a bent blade for reuse. Once the blades are sharpened, each one should be checked for balance. The real question is whether a simple balancing method is accurate enough. For a blade with a standard round center hole, resting it on a screwdriver shaft or nail can give you a quick indication. If one end keeps dropping, that side is heavier. But this method can be less reliable with star-shaped, irregular, or non-round center holes. A dedicated blade balancer like this wall-mounted MAG 1000 holds different blade designs more securely and gives a more precise, repeatable reading. If one end drops, remove a small amount of material from the heavy side, then check it again until the blade stays level. With the blade sharpened and balanced, it's time to reinstall them. Blade position on a 3-blade mower matters. The raised sail faces up toward the deck, and any side marked bottom or grass side faces the ground. The sharpened edge must face the direction of rotation. Blade clocking is model specific. Some time decks require a set angle, while many standard zero-turn decks only specify which side faces down. Check your manual, torque the hardware to spec, and rotate the blades by hand to confirm clearance. So, replace blades that are bent, cracked, badly worn, or mismatched. But if they're still solid, sharpening can extend their life, and a balance check may help prevent vibration. What do you do on your zero-turn mower? Replace the full set, sharpen and balance every blade, or sharpen and skip balancing? Tell us in the comments.